students, my name is Anjali Srivastav and I am a BSc Nursing graduate. Today we will be dealing with the topic that is interior of the heart. So let's get started. So first I will take the introduction of the heart, that is we know that heart क्या है हमारा is a pumping organ of our body. So it is situated on the left side of the body. And what happened, this pumping organ, how it works, we have to see the basic inner structure of the heart first. So I'll be dealing with interior of the heart. So हमारे heart में we have the four chambers with the two sides, and these two sides are separated by the septum, and this septum is made up of our walls of the heart itself. So in the heart we have three layers of the heart. We have, that is pericardium, we have the endocardium, we have the myocardium. So pericardium is the outermost layer of the heart, then middle one is the myocardium, and the inner one is the endocardium of the heart. So this myocardium is the middle layer and the endocardium is the innermost layer, and these septum are made up of these layer itself, that is the endocardium, the innermost layer. So this endocardium layer divides the heart into two parts, that is the right part and the left part. And in the right and the left part we have the another section division, that is the upper and the lower portion. So we have the and the upper portions of the heart is known as the atrium, and the lower portions of the heart are known as ventricle. So we have the right atrium, we have the left atrium, we have the right ventricle, we have the left ventricle. So what happens is that these two chambers are divided by septum, and these two chambers, that is the upper portion and the lower portion, is divided by the that is the atrioventricular valves. So these atrioventricular valves, what happen is that we have the atrioventricular valves both the sides present. So what is this atrioventricular valves? This is a kind of a opening, we can say. This is a kind of a passage through which the blood can pass, and this is a door which divides the right portion of the heart to the left portion of the heart. So this atrioventricular valves have two names, that is the tricuspid valve and we have the bicuspid valve. So in the right portion of the heart, that is the right atrioventricular valve, is known as tricuspid valve. This is known as tricuspid valves. So first I will tell you that these valves are made up of like folds. We have the foldings, no? So this is a kind of a folding, like this it is made up of. So these foldings, so that is tricuspid valve. Tri means three, no? So these three valves, that is we have the three foldings in it. So in the right portion of the heart, what happen is that we have the atrioventricular valve. This is also known as tricuspid valve, and this is known as tricuspid valves because there is a presence of three foldings in it. And the left atrioventricular valve, that is known as bicuspid valve, and the bi means two. So this, in the bicuspid valve we have the two folding itself. So in the right portion we have tricuspid valve, and in the left portion we have the bicuspid valve. What happens is that our heart contracts and relaxes continuously, that you know. So what happens is that when the pressure in the upper portion of the heart, that is when the pressure difference occur, so this helps in the contraction and relaxation, or it helps in the opening and the closing of these valves. These valves opens and closes spontaneously. What happens is that when the pressure in the upper chamber of the heart, that is in the atrium, increases than that of the ventricles, these chambers opens up. So what happens is that the blood which is present in the right side of the heart, or the right upper portion of the heart, comes to the lower down portion of the heart on the both right and the left side of the heart. So the moving of the blood takes place due to the pressure differences. So pressure difference between when the pressure in the right atrium or the atrium portion, when the pressure increases than that of the ventricles, then these valves opens up. So what happens is that the blood will reach in the lower portion of the heart. This is the way. And we in the heart, in the interior of the heart, there is two more organs we can see, or two more structures which is present. We have the chordae tendineae and we have the papillary muscles. So what is this chordae tendineae? So in the lower portion of the heart, in the lower portion of the heart, or the inferior portion of the heart, we have the presence of papillary muscles. These papillary muscles, what happen is that under these chordae tendineae, these chordae tendineae are like a thread which pulls towards itself. It is a kind of a thread which pulls towards itself. So what happen is that these threads, that is the chordae tendineae, are attached from the papillary muscles to the cusp, that is the atrioventricular valves. So there is an attachment between the atrioventricular valves to the papillary muscles, and these threads are starting from the papillary muscles like this, it is starting like this. So what happen is that when the heart relaxes or contracts, what happen is that like when the pressure, I have told you, when the pressure in the right atrium or the upper portion increases than that of the ventriculars, it closes up. So what happen is that when the pressure in the ventricles increases than that of the atrium, so these chordae tendineae pulls that pulling of this valves occurs. What with this pulling of the valves helps the valves to close up. So this is how our valves open and closes. So in the heart, so we have discussed, हमने क्या discuss किया? We will summarize up what is in the interior of the heart. In the interior of the heart, we have the three layers of the heart, that is the pericardium, we have the myocardium and the endocardium of the heart. So उसके बाद हमने क्या देखा कि सेप्टम होता है. सेप्टम क्या करता है? सेप्टम डिवाइड करता है 4 चैम्बर्स को. In the heart we have the 4 chambers that is divided into 2 sides, and that is the right atrium, left atrium, राइट वेंट्रिकल एंड द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. सो ये डिवाइडेड हो रहा है सेप्टम से. और राइट और लेफ्ट पोर्शन क्या होता है कि सेप्टम से डिवाइड होने के बाद द अपर एंड द लोअर पोर्शन इज डिवाइडेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एट्रियोवेंट्रिकुलर वाल्व्स, एंड दीज वाल्व्स आर नोन एज bicuspid valves and the tricuspid valves. The valves which is present on the right side of the heart is known as tricuspid valve because it have the 3 foldings on the endocardium layer, 3 foldings which is made up of the 3 foldings of the endocardium layer of the heart. And in the left side it is known as bicuspid valve because it is made up of the 2 foldings, and it also have the structures that is known as chordae tendineae and the papillary muscles, and these chordae tendineae are the thread like structures that helps in the pulling force, that apply the pulling force that helps the valves to open and close up. In this way our heart functions, and this is the basic interior structure of the heart. Thank you.